Are you worried about who your child is talking to late at night? Do you fear they might be communicating with scammers, groomers, or the wrong people? In this video, I am going to introduce you to a powerful and reliable tool that can give you complete peace of mind. It lets you check your child's call history, even the deleted ones, and also allows you to listen to their call recordings. The tool I recommend is KidsGuard Pro, a comprehensive parental control app designed to help parents monitor their children's phone activities safely and effectively. It allows you to view call logs and listen to recordings with ease. Here's how it works. Visit the official KidsGuard Pro website, create an account, and choose a suitable plan based on your needs. Install the app on your child's phone. Make sure you have proper consent from your child or the person you intend to monitor. Follow the simple on-screen instructions and grant the necessary permissions to complete the setup. Once installed, simply log into your KidsGuard Pro account from any device, whether it is your phone or computer. You will be taken to the user-friendly dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Calls to view the complete call history from the target phone, including the call logs that the target person deletes. The call history includes incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, along with the contact name, phone number, date, time, and call duration. But call history alone may not tell the full story. That's why KidsGuard Pro also offers call recording. Go to the call recording section where you can see all recorded calls. You can play them directly on the dashboard or download the audio files to listen later. This gives you a clear understanding of what's actually being discussed. The app goes even further by recording calls made through social media and internet-based apps. In the app calls section, you will find recordings of calls made via WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and other platforms, including both audio and video calls. Beyond calls, KidsGuard Pro offers many other powerful features such as social media monitoring, real-time location tracking, live screen viewing, and much more. If you want a more detailed breakdown, check out my full KidsGuard Pro review. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to Spiral for more useful content. I'll see you in the next one.